And for ready mix concrete, the award goes to Prism RMC.
It's a proud moment for Prism RMC on continuously second year of winning this award. It's on behalf of my people, my team, my stakeholders, I humbly accept the recognition what has been offered by reputed jury here. Prism RMC is being built on customer engagement and innovative products. On behalf of Prism RMC, I acknowledge and also thankful to my employees, my stakeholders, and personally to my family and my wife. Thank you very much.
Thank you, and congratulations to you and your entire team.